So we know it's a warm Friday on July 22, but did you know that lake muds can keep record of time too? After hundreds of years from now, the lake muds can actually tell to scientists that the summer of 22 was warm. This is because all the changes occurring in the vicinity of the lake leave their fingerprints in the muds. In Northern Europe, like here in Finland, snow and ice covers the landscape during winter, but the summers are still hot and sunny, or at least it's warm. The large differences between the seasons makes precipitation to fall either in form of snow or water. Equally, seasons control which type of material settles down on the lake floor. As a result, we get brown and black pairs of layers in the muds that look much like tree rings. We can take a sample from the lake bottom, count the layers, and know exactly on what year these muds were deposited. So now, at the very moment, microplastics has awakened our concern. Microplastics are plastic fragments and fibers of sizes less than half a centimeter. They originate mostly from decayed plastic consumables that break down in nature due to physical abrasion or, for example, sunlight. The use of plastic materials has increased drastically since last 80 years, and unfortunately, that can be seen in our natural environment at the moment, although the health risks remain still uncovered. Huge plastic dewars are rolling in the world's oceans, and microplastics has been found everywhere, from deepest marine basins to Himalayas, from water that we drink, from soil where we grow our crops, to the air that we breathe. Microplastics are found even in human body, not only in human guts, but also from human blood. To estimate the future health risk, we need to be able to predict how fast the amount of microplastic pollution entering our biosphere is growing. Here, the lake muds step to the picture. We will extract microplastics from the natural annual mud layers to be able to tell exactly how much plastics was deposited on a square meter each individual year and how the accumulation rate has been changed during last 80 years. Knowing how much plastic has been produced every year, we can build scenarios to estimate future pollution rate. We can make predictions for future like we have done to understand climate change. And this project is one step on this path. Thank you.